How's it, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new, a triple welcome to you. So guys, this is the very same day that I received the Angel EDT perfume and that I did the unboxing. So I just received another package. It's later in the day and I don't know when I'm gonna post this specific video, so we will see how I'm gonna do this. Hopefully I'll post it the same day or maybe afterwards, but in any case, this is the package I got. It's another early birthday present for me, and I got this perfume at Superbalist. It was like, I think 30 or 40, no, it's 40% off. Guys, this is a 30ml bottle I ordered, and yeah, I am so happy when it's package day, guys. And I don't know why they sent this huge box with this small perfume inside, but they did that. So what did I get? I got Roberto Cavalli's signature scent, Roberto Cavalli by Roberto Cavalli EDP. And guys, this will be my second perfume by Roberto Cavalli. So let's just check out the box. Beautiful gold box, just gorgeous with a symbol on there. And then you have this beautiful blue line on the bottom part with the kind of zebra stripes also on the bottom. So let's open it up. Okay, and guys, this is a total blind buy, so I'm so excited, but I'm so nervous. I'm just hoping it will work out. Fingers crossed. Okay, let's open it up. Look at that beautiful turquoise color. It's just a beautiful blue, guys. I think the blue and the gold is such a beautiful combination. Okay, and let's get her out of the box. And there she is, guys. Look at how stunning she is. Wow, she is just gorgeous, guys. So beautiful. Look at the detail at the bottom of the lid, and then you have the beautiful shape of this bottle. It's quite a heavy bottle for a 30ml bottle, guys. And then the lid is very heavy. It has a magnet in it. As you can see, it has quite a weight on it. It's not a plastic lid, it's metal. And then you have your, so let's test it in the box. Give it a few spritz and see what it smells like. I'm so nervous, oh my goodness. Okay, so guys, let's put her aside, get the box and take a whiff. Oh wow. Wow, guys. Wow, this is gorgeous, guys. This is beautiful. I can't really remember the notes, but I'm picking up some vanilla, some white florals, kind of a sweetness also, maybe even a little bit of benzoin. Beautiful orange flower fragrance, guys. And you know, I'm getting, guys, do you remember that drinks that we used to make at home with the soda stream machines that you bought? Put the gas in the water and then you put the syrup in there. There was an orange syrup, and it reminds me of that syrup. It's just gorgeous, guys. I'm so impressed. I'm actually sad I didn't take a bigger bottle of this now. Wow, this is beautiful. It's really gorgeous, guys. So stunning. And the bottle is just beautiful as well. This could be somebody's signature scent. because this I feel you can wear all year round, guys. Beautiful bottle, beautiful fragrance. So impressed. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and please give me a like if you like this video, and please let me know if I should do more unboxings on my channel. Yeah, so I really hope you enjoyed this, and thank you so much for your support and love. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.